Hello, my beautiful friends. So this is a meditation for manifestation, to call into our lives everything we have absolutely ever wanted and are just so worthy of in this moment without doing anything. So when you're ready, please find a comfortable position, whether that is sitting or lying down, and just really let yourself relax and get comfortable. Doing just a slight body scan of releasing any tension that we are carrying into this moment. Taking a nice breath in, really arriving in this moment, grounding into our space. And a nice big breath out, letting go of the day, everything that we've been carrying up until this point. And again, a nice deep breath in, feeling gravity holding you in this moment, Mother Earth, Pachamama holding you in this moment. And a nice breath out, fully releasing, just coming into the present moment. And we just want to slowly scan the body and let it relax. From the top of the head, letting your forehead relax, your eyes, your jaw, your mouth, your neck. Letting the shoulders fully surrender and relax. Your chest and your back, your torso, through the arms and the fingers. Everything just melting into this space, into this moment. Feeling so very held by the universe, by Mother Earth and gravity. Letting your hips relax, your upper legs, your lower legs, ankles and feet. Fully present in this moment. Fully resting in this moment. Allowing your breath to just come in and out as normal. There's nothing to do, nothing to force here. Just being. And I want you to just bring your attention into your heart space. Feel your heart. How does it feel? Is it open? Is it closed? Is it big and bright? There's no right or wrong. Just sending attention into the heart space, allowing it to feel your attention, allowing it to feel your love, with your presence, with your attention. Nothing to force. If it opens some, beautiful. It's perfect the way it is. And feeling this stillness, any relaxation that comes over your body. Just being aware of how divine you are, how perfect you are in this moment. You've always been perfect. You've always been so worthy of everything you've ever wanted. And if you can feel that in your heart, tell yourself, I love you. I love you, heart. Thank you for all that you do for me. I am worthy in this moment. I am perfect in this moment. I am divine now and forever. I have the universe, divinity, God with me, in me. Just allowing the unconditional love of the universe that is completely surrounding you to just fill your being and your body. If you can just open yourself to receive this love that is around you. The universe is flowing so much energy around you, so much love, and all we have to do is open to receive it. So without having to force or push, just gently opening to this beautiful, nourishing energy of love and divinity that is all around you, that is you. And let it come in and nurture every single cell of your being, every cell of your body. Just feel this deep nourishment, this deep sense of love and peace and connection to all that is. You are everything. You are divinity. You are the universe. You are God. You are love. You are already everything. Just open to that connection, to that love, to this existence, and receive. Feel it all come in and loving you. And then slowly, as you continue to feel this love and this divinity coming in and nourishing your cells, there's no right or wrong way to do this. However you're feeling it, just observing, not judging, and just letting it fill you like beautiful white light, warm and tingling all through the body. Continuing to allow that in because you are worthy. This is your existence. This is you that you are feeling. As you're opening to this, start to feel your manifestations. Anything and everything you would like to call in. You can say it with your words or your mind, but most importantly, feel it. Feel what it's like to have it. To have it in this exact moment. Feel all of these incredible things that you are calling in, nourishing your whole being, filling your whole existence, existing in your life. Imagine everything you've ever wanted and feel what it's like to have it, because it is all coming to you. It is all yours. It is all a part of you. So just sit in that nourishment. Feel the incredible beauty of this amazing life that you are calling in. Let it nourish your every single cell. And just continue to sit with this feeling and let it expand through your whole body. Let it just gently, in its own time, expand into and down your arms, down your wrists and your hands and your fingertips. Let it expand down your torso and hips, your legs. Let it expand into your feet and toes. Let it expand up through your chest and neck, through your head, through your crown. And let it grow even bigger. Let it expand out beyond the borders of your body, growing bigger and bigger, filling your aura, filling the entire space around you. Let it keep growing. No need to force or push. Let it just flow out in the natural abundant source of energy that we all have. Let it just grow and grow and grow through the space that you're in, through the walls, out into the yard, more and more and more, until it's grown through the whole town, the whole city, the whole state, the whole country, the whole world, the whole universe. Allowing this energy of the universe to pour in through you, giving you abundant energy as you continue to allow this feeling of everything you've ever wanted to expand out to the ends of the universe, calling in everything you already deserve, that you have always deserved. You are a beautiful, incredible, perfect being. Everything that you want wants you. Continue to sit in this energy and just bringing your focus and your attention back into your heart space, back into the center of you, allowing to feel the expansiveness of your manifestation, of all the love and divinity that you already are. And slowly just start to wiggle your body, wiggle your fingers and your toes as we come back into being, into this reality. Take a nice deep breath in and a nice breath out. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly start to flutter open your eyes. And just coming back into the moment, back into your day. Continuing to carry this expansive feeling with you. And whenever you want, you can come back into contact with this expansive feeling. You can let it nourish your body and everything around you at any moment. All the divinity of the universe is in you. All of the love that is infinite is in you. Everything that you want and have called in is expansive and around you. Take it easy and have a beautiful day. And I send you lots and lots of love.